This story is in Vasco da Gama's own journal, which is there in Lisbon today. Okay, there were two guys who went searching for India. One of them was Christopher Columbus. The other was Vasco da Gama. Okay, now Christopher Columbus, he went in the opposite direction. From Europe he went up. Okay, and he found America. Only he thought America was India. Okay, that is why the natives of Americans are called Indians. That's where the Indian name comes, because he thought मेरे को India मिल गया, right? So he called those people Indian. He called them Indians actually. Then the other people came and called them red because they were not white. Yes. So that was Christopher Columbus' story. Vasco da Gama, he went in the opposite direction. If you know your geography, he came down from Africa, and he was too chicken to go out into the main sea. He would only sail keeping the coast in view. Okay, and he was having the biggest ship available at that time in Europe. All right, so he came all the way down to the Cape of Good Hope. Okay, and over there he was wondering, now how do I cross, because from there to go to India you have to go across the ocean, across the sea, right? Over there he met a Gujarati whose name was Kanha. Okay, he does not mention the surname, possibly Patel. Okay. Yeah. So he met this Kanha Bhai who was a trader from India, from Gujarat, who had ships 12 times the size of this ship. 12 times. And remember, Vasco da Gama's ship was the biggest ship in Europe at that time. Okay, he had ships which were trading ships. Forget about military ships. Trading ships which were 10 to 12 times the size of Vasco da Gama's ship. And Vasco da Gama's ship was escorted with 3 ships, like in formation. His ship was in the middle. Those 3 of our Indian ships escorted this guy to Goa, to India.